Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to take off your side mirror and turning indicator on a Porsche Panamera. So first thing I have is the mirror, and I'm just going to turn it. It should be collapsible. Make sure yours is like that. You can turn it in or out. I'm turning it out so it's easier to work on. And then I have this mirror here. It is just held in by 4 little clips that are in there. And so you can kind of, if you don't have any tools, you can just take your finger and kind of pull on it. Right now I have this a little loose because I'm working on something else with it. But the mirror should come out like so. Just by pulling. It has these clips here, these little dots in here, fit in these little slots that are in here. So it should just unsnap with these little unsnaps by pulling it. The little plastic tool around the edge will work out fine, but you can just tilt the mirror with your electronic switch to the inside, and you can just put your finger in there and pull it out. The turn indicator, which is this piece here, on this one, the turn indicator is broken, so this new one is going in. There's one screw that fits in here into this outside black piece of plastic here, and one screw that goes into it. I actually took this one out on that one, but I didn't even need to do that yet because this mirror is in 2 parts, not 2 halves, 2 parts. So the bottom part is probably the lower third, and then the top part is this second third here, the second 2/3, and it snaps out. So there's in here there is these little snaps, and you just need to go around with the screwdriver and unsnap the little clips that go around. There's probably 2 here that you can access, and there's 2 here that you can access. There's actually this little sensor here that needs to come out. Let's take that out real quick. So I'm just going to take this little clip out, and the little wiring harness is just chilling here like that. And let's see. So then there's 2 clips in here that are hard to see, but you can see them when you look inside here. You'll see 2 clips, and you'll see 2 clips on this side, on the outside, I guess you could say, and on the inside you'll see clips. And then you'll see 1 clip on the uppermost portion that you can actually just use anything to pull it a little bit out, and it will, this whole part comes loose like so. This whole part comes loose, and we'll look at it so you can kind of take a look at it here. So you can see in here that there was this clip here. Actually, it's just kind of a rod. It just needs to make sure you can kind of, it doesn't get stuck, so you don't really need to do much with that, it looks like. If you have 2 screws in here, make sure you take them out. Mine didn't have screws. Let's see if we can see the part where it snaps. Oh yeah, let's look. Yeah, you can see them right here and right here. It's hard to see on camera, but 2 parts where it snaps, and then this part where it says made in Germany right here. There's a clip here that clips on, a clip there that we're just looking on. So there's 4 total clips, and it just pulls straight up. And then this is the turning indicator that's just sitting right here. And it has the connector for the turning indicator, just 2-prong. The male portion is actually sitting in this lower thirds part on the back side, and you just lower this down into it, and that's how you make the connection. You don't have to disconnect it. You can, if you want, connect it and disconnect it separately, but it actually sits in its own little housing. So you just push this back down when you want to assemble it back together after you have replaced it. So So here is, let's do this last screw here on this turning indicator real quick. So let's unscrew this last screw on the turn. It's a Torx bit, it's very small Torx bit. Just get a really small Torx bit set and you'll be set. It's smaller than a T15. It's a T10. So these are T10 screws that hold the turning indicator on. And let's see how this comes out here. So it looks like there's a snap disconnect here. Let's see. Yep. So we're gonna just disconnect it like so. And the old turn indicator fell apart, but here's the remainder of it. So this little deal looks like it fits in. So we're gonna be careful with that. Yep. And then we're right here on this snappy here. Push down. That's snapped in, and we're gonna put our screws in real quick. Okay, so then we're gonna screw this in. And we're gonna screw this in. I just wanted to make sure we were gonna be set on everything else. We're gonna feed our mirror through. We're gonna feed our other little connector through. Okay. Push down. Make sure we, let's see what this portion looks like. Okay, that was a click. The other, I think this is a sensor. This looks like a sensor. Let's see how much light's coming by maybe. So then we're gonna line this little channel. We're gonna call these channels 4 channels with the 4 pins. And we're gonna click this on. Oh yeah, that's on good. And then I'm just gonna turn the mirror back and we're all set. Let's check to make sure it all works. Okay, so I hope that was helpful for you. If you can, subscribe and hit that bell, and I'll see you next time.